It's kind of what we do at Platinum Consultants. We're not just looking at training you in how to click buttons. We look at your business holistically. How do we make your business better? What extras can we add in, or do you need anything? And we can just do it within Simpro.
Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty informative. Good to see what Simpro's got to offer. And also the other guys, safety stuff, definitely have a look into that.
Just some more information on Simpro, basically how we can utilise it more in the business, so it's been good.
Good, yeah, good night. Good information. And some of the new stuff that Simpro is implementing are really good.
It's been interesting, learn a few things, that's for sure. Got some notes, it will be great when I get back to work.